Listen as Bakerman provides a first week in March 2024 update.
70 degrees out today, and I planted 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9 rows of lettuce. And if you could take a close-up, you could see the lettuce is coming up, popping up down the rows, which is good. And then here, I got these pieces of bamboo as a marker. And this particular row is I put in onions. I bought a bag of onion sets at the Ace Hardware, and I put them in and buried them about 1 inch deep. And today I bought a bag of seed potatoes, and I'm putting these potatoes in, and it calls for 4 to 6 inches deep. Cover them with 3 inches, wait till they sprout, and then cover them again, and then you hill them up. And the size of the potatoes depends on how far apart you plant them. And I'm not too sure if I did it right or not. I didn't bother to look it up. I just wanted one bag to go 1 row. So we'll find out at the end of the year. And then, so I'm just going to backfill these, and I'll have some potatoes. And then in the greenhouse, things have been coming along. We've been showing you these elephant ear bulbs that haven't moved yet. And we planted the back one is a zucchini. Those 3 are yellow squash. And you can see there's a tomato coming up there, more tomatoes there. These here are those little tiny petunia seeds. I couldn't even see them. I just held the bag up and sprinkled them over the pots, and they did pretty good. And here's some peppers that haven't popped. Here's some Better Boy tomatoes that are just popping up. And I got 4 more weeks till the first frost last date. So some of these things will be able to go in pretty good in 4 weeks. And here's a bunch of cucumbers back here. And then this tray with the dome, nothing going on there, but that's lavender. And the lavender, they say to plant the seeds 1/4 of an inch deep, so I put a little soil on top. These, it said just sprinkle on top and wet it, and I did according to the instructions, and they came up. I'm going to transplant all of these into hanging pots and those petunias. And here's some more petunias. I don't know if you can see those coming up, but they're coming up. I got star petunia, I got lobella, I got a mixed petunia. So those are all doing well. And got some insects in here at night. I haven't bothered to film them, but if you look at those holes, they come up one hole, go over, you see a crawl mark, and down another hole. The holes are kind of big for night crawlers. And here's a hole here. And I went over another hole over there. So I don't know what kind of insects those are, but I'll find out. Yeah. There we go, and I got some cow manure when I put my tomatoes in, which will be in 4 weeks. So there we go. Thank you for watching, and don't forget to subscribe. You keep watching what's going on. Thank you. Please subscribe to my channel. It helps me and also allows you to see my varied content.